Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest reviews to help you make informed beauty choices. If you're someone who's been struggling with dry, damaged hair, you know how frustrating it can be to find products that truly restore your hair's natural shine and strength. Well, today we're talking about something that promises to do just that: the Wella Professional's Ultimate Repair Shampoo and Conditioner Bundle Set. So if your hair is in need of some serious TLC, stay tuned. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that bell icon to stay updated on all our future reviews. Let's dive into this nourishing duo. The Wella Professional's Ultimate Repair Shampoo and Conditioner are designed specifically for damaged hair, making them ideal for anyone looking to bring life back into hair that's been through the ringer, whether it's from coloring, heat styling, or environmental factors. What's even better is that these products are packed with powerful ingredients like AHA and omega-9, which work together to repair, strengthen, and deeply moisturize the hair. Starting with the shampoo, it's a creamy formula that gently cleanses without stripping hair of its natural moisture. The lavender scent is subtle but soothing, making it a pleasant experience right from the first wash. It lathers beautifully, which is something I personally love, and leaves the hair feeling clean yet not overly dry. The conditioner, on the other hand, is a rich and creamy formula. It spreads evenly and gives your hair an instant surge of hydration. What's amazing about this duo is how the conditioner doesn't weigh down the hair. It adds moisture while keeping the hair light and bouncy. It's a great balance, especially if you have fine or oily roots but dry ends. When I tested these out, I used them over a period of a week. I applied the shampoo first and noticed that it cleansed without making my hair feel stripped, which is a huge win for damaged hair. It didn't leave any residue or buildup, which I really appreciated. After following up with the conditioner, my hair felt significantly softer and smoother. Even after styling, it had a healthy shine, but wasn't greasy. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros: it really does repair and nourish. My hair felt smoother after the first use and progressively more manageable with continued use. The scent: that subtle lavender aroma is calming and refreshing without being overpowering. The packaging is sleek and functional, and the sizes are great value for money, especially if you're someone who washes their hair often. The cons: while this works well for dry, damaged hair, I didn't find it as effective for extremely coarse or curly hair in need of deep moisture. It does an excellent job for medium to fine hair, but if you're dealing with really thick, coiled hair, you might need a more intensive treatment alongside this. The price point might be a little high for some, especially if you're on a budget, but the results do justify the cost if you're looking for quality repair. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of value, these products are definitely on the higher end, but they're an investment if you have damaged hair and are looking for a professional-grade solution. The blend of AHA and omega-9 is unique, and both work synergistically to restore hair health without being too harsh. If you're not ready to commit to the price tag, there are other products in the market, but for the effectiveness of this shampoo and conditioner, they really stand out in terms of the balance they strike between nourishment and lightness. I'd say if you're dealing with moderately damaged hair, this is definitely a go-to set. I haven't had any issues with customer support from Wella, and they have a solid reputation for their professional-grade hair care products. However, if you're having any issues or need further assistance, they are known for being responsive. Let's wrap things up with the final verdict. The Wella Professional's Ultimate Repair Shampoo and Conditioner Bundle Set does a solid job of restoring hair's health and moisture. It works best for those with medium to fine, moderately damaged hair who need a gentle yet effective repair solution. If you're someone who's been struggling with dry, lifeless hair, I definitely recommend giving this a try. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And remember, the link to purchase is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.